Welcome guys, in this video I am with the XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'm going to show you in this video how you can take photos with the more details and with the better quality. Okay, so first of all I can recommend you to simply go for the settings and restore all the settings to default, and next just find the picture quality and pick the highest option. Next, when you are in the photo mode, I can recommend you also to set up the 3:4 aspect ratio. That's the best quality that we can get in the standard photo mode. If you are looking for the best details, I can recommend you to go for the more modes, pick the Ultra HD mode and then hit this button, 200 megapixel mode. Let me show you the comparison, how the difference looks. So let's take the photo of this item that is in front of me with 200 megapixel mode, with 50 megapixel mode, and with the standard photo mode. Okay, so this photo was taken with the standard mode. As you can see, it's very sharp, good details, really good looking photo. This one was taken with the 50 megapixel mode, and as you can see, we can spot here more details and zoom in much closer. And this one was taken with the 200 megapixel mode. So right here we can zoom very close, and that's really crazy amount of details on the photo. So that's how we can get more details. And also, what is essential in the photos, to get more details you have to get also good lighting conditions. So as you can see, in my case there is good lighting, but if you are in the bad scenario, I can recommend you to turn off the flashlight. Right now we'll get more light and the photo will be looks definitely better. So also I'm going to show you the small comparison. So let's photo like that, let's take photo like that, let's turn off the flashlight, and for example I'm gonna decrease the light right here. Okay, and let's change it to the maximum settings and let's take a look. That's how the photo looks with the low lighting condition, and that's how the photo looks in the good lighting condition. Okay, right now it is out of the focus, but when you focus for example on this part, take a look right here and do the same with this photo. As you can see, this one looks definitely better. If you wonder about the macro modes, there is the macro mode dedicated, but it takes not good photos. Let me just show you. So we can focus on this processor chipset. We can try to go as much close as we can. Okay, and we can catch focus in this range. We cannot go closer. And right now I'm gonna do the same with this Ultra HD mode. Okay, and let's take a look. So this photo was taken with the 200 megapixel mode, and take a look how great it looks. That's a lot of details. And this one was taken with the macro mode. As you can see, this one looks terrible and this one looks really great. So if you wonder how to take good photos with the Mi 12T Pro, definitely go for the Ultra HD mode. There's also one thing that I want to show you. So if you want to get like crazy macro photos, I can recommend you to get this kind of the lens. You can get it for like $1 or $2. That's very cheap. You can get it in every mobile store around you, and to mount it, that's very simple. You have to just basically put it on your lens that you are going to use. So we are gonna use the main lens, just like that. Let's hit the right position. Okay, and right now let me show you how it works. So just take a look. We are going to focus also on this processor. I have to hold it in my hand. We have to hold it steady, and let's try to take a look right now on the photo. Okay, as you can see right here, we can find definitely more details than in this first mode, but I can show you even how to get closer. So right here we can also use the zoom feature, so we can zoom to the 2x, and with the 2x we'll get even more details. And when you turn off this Ultra HD mode and go for the standard mode, just take a look. Okay, I just forgot to turn off the macro mode. Let me just do this right now. Okay, we can zoom in, for example, for the 4 times. Let's put it like that, where it is. Okay, right here. Oh, we can turn on also the flashlight. Okay. And yeah, take a look right now. Take a look on this details. That's like a lot of details in this photo. And we can make comparison with this. Take a look. It's still looking good, but when you compare to this one, to the standard photo mode, that's amazing. And I'm gonna show you also on this backside, and we can make the final comparison. For example, we can focus on this place, I guess, or maybe on this one. Oh, I just turned off the flashlight. Let me just enable it. And take a look on this. Oh, I just get out of the camera. And let's try to take the normal photo without this lens. As you can see, there's no way to spot that much of the details without this attached lens. So yeah, that's a few tips how you can take better photos on your Xiaomi 12T Pro. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.